I'm Alagir Lingappa, Assistant Professor, Government Postgrad College, Siriguppa. Today I am going to explain the torsional pendulum, which is under the chapter elasticity. So we know that the concept of elasticity, then stress strain, Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, and then the bulk modulus, then the relation between Young's modulus, bulk modulus, rigidity modulus, and then Poisson's ratio, and also the expression for work done in twisting of a wire, then couple per unit twist, all those things. So today we have discussed about torsional pendulum. What is the torsional pendulum? What about the period of the torsional pendulum? A heavy cylindrical rod or disc suspended from the end of a fine wire whose upper end is fixed is called torsional pendulum. That means a fine wire, one of its end is fixed to the rigid supports. The free end, the lower end, which is attached with heavy cylindrical rod or disc. So the suspended disc or rod with the help of a fine wire is called torsional pendulum. The rod or disc is turned, the wire till twist, and when released, it executes torsional vibrations about the axis, about the fine wire. If we turn the disc, then leave it, it executes to and fro motion, oscillatory motion, so-called periodic motion, simple harmonic motion. We know that the time taken by the body to complete one oscillation is called a period. The number of oscillations completed in 1 second, that gives a frequency. Let theta be the twisting angle, then the restoring couple set up in it is given by. What about the restoring couple established in a wire, which is given by C theta is equal to pi eta theta r to the power of 4 by 2 L. Let this is equation number 1. This produces an angular acceleration d omega by dt in the rod or the disc. Therefore, I d omega by dt, which is equal to minus c theta, where tau is equal to I alpha, moment of inertia, into acceleration, angular acceleration. Then a rate of change of angular velocity, which is equal to minus c by I into theta, where negative sign indicates that the restoring couple, where I is the moment of inertia of a rod or disc. The motion of the rod or disc is simple harmonic. Its time period is given by t is equal to 2 pi into root of displacement by angular acceleration, which is equal to 2 pi into root of theta by c by I into theta. T is equal to 2 pi root of I by c. This is called the equation of time period for torsional pendulum. Thank you.